As the Philippines approaches the 10th anniversary of its landmark arbitral award this month, the National Maritime Council, or NMC, has reaffirmed the critical role of the ruling in establishing legal clarity for the nation's defense of the West Philippine Sea. On July 12, 2016, the Philippines won the arbitration case against China, which establishes that their 9-dash line claims over the South China Sea has no basis. A decade after this win, the NMC affirmed that this continues to serve as a cornerstone of the country's maritime stance, despite China's continued harassment in the West Philippine Sea.
Arbitral award ay hindi drawing o isang piraso papel na na-declare ng isang leader natin before. Kundi ito ay nagsilbing kompas ng ating pambansang pulisiya. Yung award ang nagpapakita kung sino ang nasa panig ng batas at kung sino ang lumalabag dito.